Joy. We are the students of St. Paul's Academy to share the report of July 2025. I am Huria from class 9C.
I am Zubi from class 9B.
I am Shreya Singh from class 9B.
I am Abhinav Yadav from class 9C.
I am Nikunj Upadhyay from class 9th.
After a refreshing and joyful summer break, school was reopened on 1st July 2025 at 7:30 am. With enthusiasm for the Joosmon welcome everyone back to St. Paul's family. Students returned with fresh energy, ready to step into this term with renewed spirit, positivity and a strong commitment to excellence.
Of class 11th conducted the special assembly on the topic National Education Policy under the guidance of Arshi Ma'am. The special assembly highlighted the transformative vision of national education policy, which aims the redefined education of India in holistic, inclusive and four skill-based learning.
Health is wealth, that's the key. Be the best you are meant to be. Focusing on this inspiring thought, Academy had conducted a seminar on the topic Adolescents Health Care. The resource person of this event was Sister Dr. Maria Rose Cole, a devoted member of the Sisters of the Destitute.
Hosted a poster making competition on different topics. Students of class 1st to 12th participated and showcasing their creativity and artistic skills.
School welcomed the students from the government school Shahbaz. The aim was to promote the social school interaction between the school. We had shown resources for the educational exchange and the learning exchange.
Special assembly on the topic Father's Day was conducted by the students of class 5th B under the guidance of their class teacher Shahdev sir. The event was a wonderful way to acknowledge the significant role that fathers play in shaping their children's lives.
Class 6B came together to celebrate the strength, grace and achievements of women through the inspiring and beautiful special assembly on the topic International Women's Day. Every moment of the assembly was tribute to the incredible women in our lives.
The solo singing competition was held for the classes 3rd to 12th. The event aimed to encourage students to showcase their vocal talent and build confidence.
Board decoration was done by the students of class 10th on the theme Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, on to build the habit of cleanliness among the students for better tomorrow.
Students took a big step towards a greener future by participating in a tree plantation drive at a school. With hands full of soil, hearts full of hope, they plant the saplings that will grow into strong and beautiful trees.
PTM was held on 21st July 2025 for the classes 1st to 12th to discuss the problems of the student and guide them for the better academic performance.
The speech competition was organized. Different students took part in it and delivered thought-provoking speeches on the various topics.
Dates of the month of July 2025. Thank you. God bless you.